Christ, nigger. What's my motherfucking name? Misery loves me. Bigfoot, that's me. Teamwork. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Reporting live from Niggerhead Ranch. Dance, dance, get on the floor and dance, hooker. Yeah, hooker. Yeah, hooker. I like my beat maker though. What's up, nigga? You's a prick with a little dick, gayer than motherfucking shit on a stick. Yeah. Bigfoot in the house, motherfucker. Arsenio ain't got nothing on me. But fuck Arsenio, cause he ain't shit. Yeah. So, motherfuckers be like, wow. Woo. How? How many times has this happened though? Honestly, before I get started here, how many times has this happened? Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Why you wanna act like this ain't Niggerhead Ranch on my shoulders? Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Bolder. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Coming colder, always bolder. Give a fuck like I'm just a motherfucking smoldering ball of hate. I don't really give a fuck. Try to put me in prison, well it's too late. I don't wanna go, but I'm not there anyway, and you is a hoe. You think I could kill myself by doing suicide? If I had a gun I would, but who inside would try to do that shit if they ain't got a zip gun? Tried slicing my wrists and it wasn't fun, cause I didn't go nowhere. Yeah. So what is this life for? Can you bear? The secrets of nature can't be unlocked until you bring a nigga like me in the situation to clock these motherfucking dollars. I'm broke, but you know what? I still got time to holler. Yeah, a motherfucking G, I just do me. They say I'm little D, that's what I remember. But who the fucking be the nigga they want him to be, unless they was wheeled in a wheelchair with the will of God? Yeah, you know I will stare at a handicapped motherfucker until there's a motherfucking chance for me to get what I want. Yeah, motherfucker, I live with a thief and you talk way too much, but I'ma keep flowing. I don't really give a fuck, niggas ain't knowing. I got a brain, and how I came is strange, because I'm in the woods looking like a Sasquatch. Nigga, I wish you would. Niggas know I got the big feet with the wood. Yeah, keep the party going, and I'ma keep flowing. I don't think motherfuckers is knowing. Whoop, 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 like Arsenio Hall in my motherfucking bedroom as I'm dreaming of drinking alcohol. Yeah, I don't really give a fuck, nigga. You ain't got no love, then go fuck, nigga. Cause I'm a motherfucking truck, nigga, and you's a fuck, nigga. Always looking for a buck, nigga. I don't know how I got here, but you keep stealing, and I'ma keep thrilling with these motherfucking reels when the beat's on. I don't make music.